All right, good afternoon, traders. Today's November 26, 2025. Want to wish everybody out there a happy Thanksgiving. Right now, we're in the middle of a trade. We took this right at the open. We had a huge igniting candle. We'll take a look at that. Nice igniting candle coming right over the top of this base, right through here. Let me just push this down just for a second. All right, so we had a base right on top, right there. Okay, so we had a nice, see the higher lows? It was like winding up for the upside, and a nice candle there with some follow through, and then a real snapback, bought the pullback, played the bounce, and right now we have a 10-minute, we're on the 10-minute chart right here, and we're trading. You see how the candlesticks are up on top of the 3, and the 3 is over the 8. So we're trading this 10-minute uptrend. We're hoping to get up here to the downtrend line. All right, well, we'll see what happens, but currently we're in this trade. We're up, and you can see right here, this is where I'm trading the option. Trade the 680 calls, and you can see right here, all the blue dots are my buys. So here's my blue dots here, and then I sell into strength, and then I reload, and then I sell into strength, and then I reload, and then I sell into strength again. You can see I set up a grid, or I call it a net, all right, a net of sell orders up above, and then price runs into it, and I get filled for some profits, and then I set up a grid of buy orders underneath to get reloaded, all right, so you can see right now I got some buys right there. So after they go through, you got to kind of repair your nets. You know, after the sharks run through it, you got to go back through and put in more sell orders and put in more buy orders. But we're trading this 10-minute uptrend right now. On the 680s, we're up 279 on the 680s. I'm up 4,500 on the 675 calls right there, but those were held overnight. I was accumulating those overnight into the close because I saw price action closing at the end of the day, at the high of the day. So you can see me capturing. See, this is me capturing. This is last night. That would be Tuesday evening on the 25th. I'm capturing some of those 675 calls into the close as price dips. I'm loading up on those because price is going to probably close at the end of the day at the high of the day, which typically winds up gapping up. And of course, you can see we had a nice gap up. This would be yesterday's close right here near this purple line, and you can see price gapped all the way up here. So that was like a this is like 673, and you can see we opened up right around 677. All right, so that's like a $4 gap. All right, and that's what I was kind of looking for as I was capturing these 675 calls into the close last night, which paid off well because you can see already I'm up, 4,500. These are zero DTEs, so I'm not inclined to trade those. I'm not a big fan of trading in the money. I like out of the money. I feel a whole lot more comfortable when I'm trading out of the money. I can defend it easier because the price point is smaller. So as these zeros wind out, I'll be happy to get rid of them and be holding some of the two days till expiration that expire on Friday. So we want to wish everybody happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you next time. All right. I just want to give you the 10-minute update. We're in a 10-minute uptrend over VWAP. I like to watch this PPO and to see that see the histogram candles up over the 9 EMA. Okay, that inspires me to reload and unload. All right. So I'll just look here. See, I got my 10-minute uptrend. As long as my 10-minute uptrend's intact, I continue to farm out my nets of sell orders up above and my reload buy orders underneath it. Okay, that's pretty much how I trade all day long, as long as that 10-minute trend is intact. Okay, so we'll see you all probably when I get back. All right, got open house on the December 3rd. Hope you guys make it.